How to make $200 from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to 2000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service, and I'm going to explain how you can do all of this step by step. So first you open your Google Chrome, then you go to the search, you type the United States because that's the market we're going to work on. It's the best market we can work on for this job or this method. So here the first thing we need to do is to look for a state, or to choose a state that we're going to work for. Then we'll go to the state. For example, let's go to Nevada. So here let's go to Nevada, for example. Then here we will choose a city. Let's look for one of the cities here. Let's go for Mill City, for example. And here in Mill City we're going to look for the small businesses in the area, like plumbers or hairstylists or hairdressers. So here when you choose the city, you go to the search again and you type plumbers, for example, plumbers, like that, and then we will wait to see the search. So here we have some plumbers in this area. That's all what we have. So here you can see all of their profiles, and this is where we're going to choose our clients or our prospects. So here the first thing I want you to look for is look in the profile to see if they have a website or not. Also make sure to choose the business owners that has less than 100 reviews in their profile. More than 100 reviews, that means that plumber is way out of our reach. Like this one, for example, he has more than 1,000 reviews and he has also a website. So you want to target the ones that don't have a website, and the ones that has less than a 100 reviews. For example, this one. So let's check this one's profile. So here has 3.3 stars and 24 reviews. He doesn't have a website, and now he's closed, and this is his number. You can search if he has a WhatsApp registered with this number to send him your pitch, or you can just call him to talk with him about your service. But first, let's see, he doesn't have a website. That's the first service we're going to offer him, which is making him a website. Then we're going to check if he has any bad reviews that he will need to remove, like this one. This is a 2-star review. Pipes installed were not up to code. They were sloping in the wrong direction. Pipes were with the wrong size. Leaks continued, but only with the pipes they installed. They over a month to order and install my water heater. So this is a very bad review that the owner would like to remove, because this is bad for business. It can make a lot of clients refuse to work with you anymore. Another one, and this is from a local guide, which is very bad. Our warranty company sent them out because our well pump went out. Two technicians came out. We told them the pump needed replaced. They dug around, decided no, it was this part. So this is another very bad review. So this business has a lot of bad reviews that he would want to remove from his Google Maps profile, and this is what we will need to convince him to buy the service from us. You can just take a screenshot if you're going to send him a message, and if you are going to call them directly, you can just read some lines from those bad reviews. Then it will be easy to convince them to buy your service. And as I said before, you won't need any skill, because we will just get the client, get them to go for a meeting with us, or just close them via cold call. Then we will get paid from them from $100 to $200 per client. Then we're going to go to fiverr.com or any other website, freelancing website that you'd like to work with. So me, I prefer fiverr.com, and here we're going to search for the freelancers that can offer the freelancers that can deliver the services that we need. For example, we need someone to remove these bad reviews. So here we'll just go to Fiverr and search for someone like this. I will do Google Maps business optimization, ranking, and Google Maps citation. So this one is going to remove the bad reviews, and it's only for $25. So if we got paid $200 from this client, you can just pay the freelancer $25, and then you will be left with $175 to put in your pocket. And also we can offer them website creation. As you can see, they don't have any website in here. They only have their number in here, and the website is not available. So we can offer that as well. And if you're having trouble convincing them, you can just mention that the website will help them get more clients, and also removing the bad reviews will result as well in getting more clients. So the same thing with the website creation. You will just go again to fiverr.com and then type website creation, and you will find a lot of freelancers that can create great websites for less than what you will get paid. So for example, this one will do it for $90. So if you got paid $200 for the website creation, you will pay the freelancer $90, and you will be left with $110 without learning any skill or without doing any hard work. You will just need to work smart. And after getting one client, you will just go on and do the same again with the other business owners. For example, this one as well, he doesn't have a website, and I would see that he has a lot of bad reviews as well. Let's check first. So here has a lot of bad reviews, as you can see. You will just need to look for them. Like this one, major problem with Snyder Plumbing is that when I asked for an itemized bill, they rudely refused, stating that it is time consuming and that they would have to charge me extra for that service. So this is a bad review that they will be eager to remove from their profile at Google Maps. So I think, guys, you get the idea. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.